Shoot. All right, what's up guys? It's Zach, aka the Can of Corn. I'm over here in Spinning Ink out in California. We just finished the install of this awesome new ROQUE press, and I want to show you a tech tip. As you guys just saw, I didn't get to hit my print finish button in time before the shirt indexed over and is now in rotation, okay? So one cool trick about these presses that you can do, and a lot of the other ROQ presses, is that you can go into your settings over here, right? And you have in the utilities page the option to cancel palette. So the press right now is recognizing that the print finish is actually this one right here, but I ran out of shirts and I don't want to go grab another shirt or wherever the case is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the cancel palette feature right here to cancel that palette out. And now what will happen is the press knows that as it continues in its rotation with this, that it's going to start to cancel these palettes out as they go. So as they start going through their cycle and whatnot, they'll start canceling themselves out with the yellow, and then it will be able to finish the rotation without you having to leave the press to go get another shirt or print a palette, because we definitely don't want any pallets signed. So cool little trick of using the canceling palette feature so that you can, in case you miss the print finish button in time, you have an option that you can keep the flow going and keep rocking. Just make sure to shut the cancel palette off before you go into the next cycle. All right, try it out.